Right, so today I'm going to continue with the zooms of the Nikon P1100, but as you can see it's going to be a bit different this time because I'm at the coastline. So the place I'm situated at is on the east coast in the UK. It's a town called Bridlington, and as you can see it's a great advantage point to continue with the zoom tests. So that cliff edge over there sits just over 2 miles away, so I'll zoom in and out of that, see if we can see some people on there. Also, let's see if we can see some ships, birds and anything else I can find to zoom in on there. So let's start zooming. Here we go. So this boat's around a mile away, and that's 3000mm 125x optical. Let's just pull back before he disappears off screen there. So let's say this is around a mile away. And now this is 3000mm 125x optical, and this boat's around 2 miles away. Now I'll use that digital zoom on top. And now I'll pull back to where I'm stood, and like I say, that's around 2 miles away. It's really hard to judge distances with boats on the horizon. And there's some people walking on the pier there, and centre frame you can make out a cannon. Again, that's around 2 miles away. Let's use that digital zoom on top. And now I'll pull back to where I'm stood. Again, just around 2 miles away. And now I'm just following this yellow boat. Again, following subjects at long distances gets a bit shaky. I'd say this is just over 2 miles away to guess. I'll pull back to where I'm stood. I can barely see that with the naked eye. So this is the lighthouse at the end of the pier. This is at 3000mm, and I'd say this is around half a mile away. Now these wind turbines are many miles out to sea. No idea how far, to be honest, but it's going to be 30 mile plus, as you'll see when I retract back. That's a long way away. So this is 125x optical, 3000mm, and this is around a mile and a half away. couple of people on kayaks here, and these are at least 1,500 metres away, maybe a little bit more there. Just get them both into frame. And now pull back to where I'm stood. So these people down on the beach here, it's about half a mile away. That's 3,000mm. Now pull back to where I'm stood. Again, it's a little bit windy because I'm on the cliff edge here. So this woman's reading a sign on Filey Brig, and this where I'm stood. And from where I'm stood, that person's around just over a mile away. I'll pull back and you'll see that's quite a fair distance away there. It's a little bit windy today on top of here, so you may get some camera shake when I'm zooming to its maximum there. And here's another boat right out to sea on the horizon. It's difficult to judge distances here, but that's easily several miles away. Just several miles away. And the white car, what looks like it's floating there, that's 2 miles away at Bridlington Harbour. And now I use that digital zoom on top. I'll pull back to where I'm stood, and that's around 2 miles away. And here's a red object in the sea, and that's just over a mile away. And that's 125 times optical. There's the digital on top. Now pull back to where I'm stood. Thanks. And there you can clearly read deep blue fisheries and Wendy's. Let's use that digital zoom on top. And this boat's just coming into the harbour, so that was 3,000mm, 125 times optical. So now I'm finished filming with the P1100 at the coast today, and as you've seen from the footage, we've had some different things to zoom in on there. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.